Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy for August. And in this bigger pink bag is this little silver bag. It's very reflective and holographic silver. Let's see what's in here. So you do get a card with every month, which this says glow your own way. The future is yours. And usually it tells you everything that's in there. This is, this is talking more. I think this is about one of the products, but I'm not exactly sure. But let me go ahead and just start unbagging. The first thing we have is Balance Me Congested Skin Serum, and it says it's a soothing gel to calm inflammation and speed away blemishes without causing dryness or irritation. So that's good. It sounds like it's a an acne gel or an acne product. It says it's vegan. So, and made with over 50% post-consumer recycled plastic, which I can sort of feel. It feels kind of nice. So I will try this. I don't normally have acne, but some of you know I've been sick for a while. I've had post-viral something for many, many months, and it's making me break out in weird little places. I am starting to feel better, so don't worry about me. I'm doing okay, but I could use this. I could use this right now. Let's see, the next thing is, this is a teeny tiny sample of Glam Glow Bright Eyes. So it's an eye illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream. So that's okay, because for eye cream you just use a teeny little bit. And I'm not sure, but I think eye cream is like just moisturizer that is safe to use around the eye area. So yeah, I don't like to put other moisturizer right around the eyes in case they are sensitive to whatever I'm using. So I will use an eye cream in that area without getting it in my eyes, of course. But I feel a little safer using it closer to the eye area. But yeah, illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream, and you just use a little at a time. So even though it's a small jar, it'll go far. The next thing here is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and it's a really teeny sample. 5 milliliters. It's not super teeny, but it is kind of small, so a couple uses. Tatcha sometimes I'm sensitive to, which is weird because I don't have sensitive skin, but there's one other creams I'm not able to use, so I will test that and see what happens. Realer Be Limitless Lip Gloss. It's like a half size here, and that's a pretty color, sort of a dusty mauve. And then the last thing in here is a full-size hydrating balm, lip balm. So that's not, oh, it's watermelon too, cool. So from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. And that is nice because I'm actually almost out of my State Farm lip balm that I got from my insurance agent. but I'm almost out of that, so I will be using this one next. So that's everything in this bag, and it looks like it's all samples except the lip balm is full size and the lip gloss is half size, but that's okay. It's $12 a month, I believe, and some months you even get more full size stuff, so some months have been better. So that's it for today. Let me know what you think about Ipsy, if you have questions or thoughts on it. And thanks for watching.